Someone's taking a little...
What's that?
Hello, hello. We are on day we don't know what of our Big Bosnian road trip, and we just arrived last night to the village of Šćit, which is just one in a network of villages around Rama Lake here in Bosnia and Herzegovina.
That's our place right there. We're staying out for 2 nights in Šćit. And this is the lake.
Rama Lake is actually a reservoir.
The water is very low though, since it's the end, towards the end of a hot summer.
So it's not looking its very best, but it is still
very, very beautiful here.
Where did all this mud come from? Oh my god, I can hear the mud. Oh, I see it! Wow, so many lights.
Almost
See what happened to me?
shoe graveyard. It's very hard here, but then just 2 feet over, boom.
The ducks are still following us. Yeah. The ducks are following us.
Oh yes, there they are, following us along. Siobhan trying to make it over to Tot Island over there.
Can I bring a blanket and a pillow? So that way I can be trying to sleep there?
Do we think this is a controlled burn? We will investigate. One cannot be sure when it is dry like this.
Of course, I never remember to record when we arrive, but this is the apartment. We're staying in really nice, really big, 3-bedroom apartment right beside the lake. And there's 2 balconies, so there's lake views actually on both sides of the house because we're in the town right on the center point. So there's lake on this side of us, on this side too. And it has like a proper kitchen, And there's 2 more bedrooms back here. Obviously, we didn't need to use all of them. And then there's a bathroom. What time is it? When do we stop?
It did go for a while yesterday.
Okay, can we just stop the video now? Maybe there is going to be a hummingbird if we get lucky.
It's a small one. Wow, real life pumpkin patch. Not just picked pumpkins in a field outside of Spruce Grove. And some peppers.
And a bat.
Of course.
Get eaten by bats.
No, look, there's like bats.
No, in a creepy building like this.
Oh, that's bats. Bats. And the bats. Oh, do you see the bats?
Very disturbing.
Hey, how do you not disturb bats?
What was it?
Bat. I'm out of here, kids. Stop! You're just gonna make them fly right into me.
Like bats don't
Vandalize.
move. There's animals ruffling around everywhere. I'd rather not die here.
What is with us and bats?
is.
Where?
We saw a bug. We don't know what it is. And then I thought I was recording it for like 5 whole minutes and I wasn't. But it's very creepy and now it's nestled in these leaves. Do you want me to lift the leaves?
I'm scared of it though.
I can.
It has the body of a very giant ant and it has front claws like a scorpion. I'm scared.
I'm scared too.
We should go under the sidewalk.
No, sir.
Oh, it came out tiny.
Oh my god, that sticks to
Interesting
me.
experience, though.
Did you at least get it?
No, I didn't get any of it at all. Now no one's gonna believe us. Okay, we found another one, guys. I don't think it's the same one. Okay, it can kind of fly. It's sort of like the grasshopper. It's very angsty, and they attack people. Is that some kind of wasp?
No.
It does look like a wasp with like a forked tail. Yeah, it has a forked tail, stripes. Oh my god! And its front legs are like little claws. Okay, Siobhan, do you want to go record it closer?
Yes.
She's not afraid of nothing. See?
Oh fudge, what is wrong with me?
Hang on.
Okay, you probably need to zoom out if you want to get...
There, see?
Stupid bug.
No. Let's do stop with the zoom in. There.
This time. It does seem to be antagonized by people.
That's
I don't
great
know
job.
what it is.
It's really, you can't even make anything out on here.
I told you I was gonna fuck.
Don't fly on me!
It's on you.
And stuff.
It's definitely the same thing.
It's really hard to make out in the dark, hey? This bug actually ended up being a mole cricket, which is a very large cricket with these lobster-like, mole-like arms. Truly an otherworldly bug. It doesn't say anything about their thirst for human blood, but I assume that's something.
How come they make those like mud nests? Oh, so cute. How tiny are they?
They're pretty small birds.
Are they perfect to have for a pet?
Okay, we are all packed and ready to leave from Rama Lake. And our next destination is the city of Stolac.
Thank you so much for watching. We are back on the road again. If you could like this video, leave a comment down below. That would really help our channel, even if you don't subscribe. We are trying really hard to post faithfully for 6 months, which we have yet to do. But YouTube is not our full-time jobs, so we sort of have to do this in between things. And it would be great if one day it did support itself. So if you can help us out, that would be wonderful. Thank you so much. And we'll see you in the next video. It's in the car. It hit my face on the way by, so I don't see how it could not be in here.